Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we have got a video for you today from brcnailstipsxpieces.com. This is my address if you want to send or donate anything to my channel. I greatly do appreciate that. We have got us a drop here from BRC Nails. Here are our sheet of items. Here are our items. Lots of cool things to be had. So let me get the paper clip off. Oh my god, how cute. Okay, we've got, shoot. Our list of items, summer 2022. Don't forget, I'm a brand ambassador for BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. My code for 10% off is ShereeBaby10, SHEREE, Baby10. Take advantage. Let me get this to stand up. And I have got some cute little trays I found here at the Dollar Tree. Wedding section, ladies. You got 12, I think it was, for $1. You can't beat that. And you're paying how much on AliExpress or Amazon for for these? Great deal. These are number one. You get 4 for $1.79. Let me make sure they are all turned over. They are Barbie heads. Look at these. Look at these. These are too cute. She's got her ponytail rocking. So you get 4 of these. They are 9mm by 12mm. 4 for $1.79. These are all US dollars. Look at how cute these are. These are going to be a must-have for summer. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, here's number 2. I'm losing things here. So our second item are $ Bling charms, 4 for $1.69. 9mm by 6mm. Oh, these are too cool. Too cool. Anybody want to do any collaboration? These are really cool. You get 4 of these for $1.69. And they have bling, ladies. They are bling. Let me get these back in here. Sorry if it takes so long. That was item number 2. Item number 3 is Codie Goldfish Charm, 2 for 39 cents. Oh wow. 7.5mm by 10.5mm. Well, these are so little. Just flip it over. She's got, oh. Okay, there are the blue koi fish. Oh my god, I love these. Multicolored. And your green. So you get these 2 for 39 cents. Great deal, ladies. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use these. God, I wish I knew how to do like Japanese nail art. Put some koi fish on. Oh my god. Okay, American dollar stickers, 99 cents. Let me take these out. This is for my reference. Oh my god, look at how cute. Again, use my code at checkout, ladies. ShereeBaby10, SHEREE, Baby10. These are cute. Glow in the dark nature stickers, $1.29. These, I guess, are witchy stickers, like as she says. I'm not really sure. You got the sun, the hand with stars, chick sitting on the moon, standing on the moon, suns. These are $1.79 for these stickers here. That's 5A. These all glow in the dark. And these are flowers, hearts, butterflies. Or wait a minute, it's not a butterfly. A couple hearts, petal flowers, leaves, the word flower. Let's check these out. Let's see if these glow in the dark. Oh, they do. Good Lord, do they? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Look at that glow on there. That's awesome. That is awesome, Brady. Good eye, sweetheart. These have an awesome glow to them. That's number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Zodiac stickers. Oh, these are cool. So you got 3 to choose from. That one. This is cool. These. Oh, I like these. I like these. Let's see, they have Pisces on here. I don't think so. They were. This is more of the Taurus theme, Taurus and Gemini. Leos, Cancer, Taurus. Alright, I'm not seeing much Pisces stuff on this Brandy. I'm a Pisces and I'm looking. Oh, right there. 2 fish. The sign of 2 fish, which usually means one thing usually means is there's going to be two in the sign, just like the Gemini. Gemini is the sign of 2 twins. The Pisces is the 2 fish. There's, like, I'm a Pisces. Mine's March 15th. My son's is March 7th. There always will be 2 in the family. Either it's you and your mother, or not you and your mother, you and one of your parents, or you and one of your children. It's usually how it works out. These are really super cool. Last but not least, as I have been bumping my gums, it seems like forever, we have got glass. She says these are glass evil eye charms. Random colors, 6 of them for 89 cents. I don't see how these are evil eye. I think these are kind of cool. They're funky eyeballs to me. Okay, alright. Both sides are printed on. I think these are really super cool. These again, she calls them evil eyes. I think these are neat. I really do. I could see all these on one nail. I don't know. They are 6 for 89 cents, folks. Head on over to BRC Nails Tips X, that's the letter X, pieces.com for your nail art needs. She's got a lot of stuff going on for the summer. I love the koi fish. Those are going to be hopping. The Barbie heads, 4 for $1.79. You can't beat that deal. I cannot wait to use these ones. And I got some beautiful polish for them too. Where is it? From Warm Pretty. I just did a haul on this that I filmed. It would be perfect with this pink, don't you think? I think it's perfect. It's a brand new bottle. I've been trying to figure out what manicure to do with it, and I think that's going to be Barbie. If anybody wants to do a money manicure, let me know. I got other money stuff that I could use, not just, I got, oh, what was it? My mother gave it to me. I got something, I can't remember what it was. My mother gave it to me for a money manicure. I don't know if it was a quarter of a bill, something. But these are really cute. I want to do a money manicure. I want to do the Barbies. I want to do it all. Oh, so head over to Brady's website. Show her some love and support. Get your order in quick, because these babies are going to sell out. I can tell you now. I think they're going to be a hot commodity this summer. Don't forget to use my code at checkout, Sheree Baby 10. SHEREEBABY 10. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And as always, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and any important information that comes across my desk. And here's a tidbit. July 2nd will be 5 years, my 5-year anniversary here on YouTube. I am trying to plan a giveaway. So that means I am looking for sponsors that can ship out product. Don't send it to me. That can ship out product to the winners. I'm looking for people who can ship within the United States and as well as across the pond, or wherever they may live, internationally. People who can ship internationally. She Modern is graciously stepped up. They are going to sponsor 3 $75 gift cards. So far, they are the first. So everybody jump on board. Show me some love and support. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.